Hey everybody, my name is Scott. I'm going to install this tailgate assist on my 2004 Chevy Silverado, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Just to know, it says that this product can only be installed on the driver's side, which is what I'm doing. And one of the only tools you'll need is a 13mm wrench. And try not to drop things on the floor. Yeah, using a combination wrench was a little bit tedious and took a while. So the first step is you remove the bolt by the tailgate pivot. And you install the shock mount plate using the bolt removed in the previous step. Yeah, definitely use a socket. It's a lot quicker. See how quick that was? Alright, next you'll want to remove the cable from the cable bolt. And then use the 13mm wrench or socket to remove the cable bolt. They included a little tube of thread lock. You'll want to use that on the post stud. And install the post stud and the large washer where the cable bolt was taken out. And that's the fully threaded part, and it installs into the truck. And you just tighten that up with a 13mm wrench. And then put the tailgate cable back on the bolt stud. Then you'll want to put the shock on, do the bottom part first and then the top. And then you'll put on the washer and the nylock nut on the top post. Now the nuts must be tight enough for the thread to engage the nylon ring on the nut, but you don't want to tighten it up too much that prevents all the parts from moving freely. So that's what I'm doing with my finger here. I'm just making sure that it's gotten through the nylon part but isn't poking through the nut too far. And just do the same thing on the top one. The company that makes this is called DeeZee. I highly recommend it. It works really well. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it, and if you'd like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This tailgate assist was about $20–25 on Amazon, depending on the model truck you have. It took about 10–15 minutes to install, so if I can do it, you definitely can do it. Thanks for watching. All right, and